আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আজকে আপনাদের জন্য নিয়ে আসছি প্রাইমারি চূড়ান্ত মডেল টেস্ট ইংরেজি। এটা হচ্ছে গিয়ে আমাদের পর্ব 3। আগে আমাদের আরো কয়েকটি পর্ব আছে, আশা করি একটু দেখে নিবেন। তো শুরু করা যাক। 21 নাম্বার এখান থেকে শুরু। এ প্যারাগ্রাফ ডিলস উইথ ড্যাশ থিমস। এ প্যারাগ্রাফ ডিলস উইথ ওয়ান থিম। কি থিম? ওয়ান থিম। তো প্যারাগ্রাফের ক্ষেত্রে আমরা কয়টা থিম ব্যবহার করে থাকি? একটা থিম। The antonym of the word awful. The antonym of the word awful is fantastic. Antonym of the word awful is হচ্ছে গিয়ে fantastic. One of the employees dash salary every month. One of the employees gets, কি হবে এখানে answer gets. One of the employees gets salary every month. The synonym of increase is, synonym মানে সমার্থক শব্দ, the synonym of increase is augment. The synonym of increase is augment. Choose the correct indirect speech of, এখানে হচ্ছে গিয়ে narration indirect speech বলতে বলছে। He said to me where were you born. He said to me where were you born. এটার উত্তর হবে খ। He asked me where I had been born. He asked me where I had been born. There is a will. There is a will. There is a, answer কি হবে? There is a way. There is a will. There is a way. The man does not adhere to. এখানে কি হবে? Adhere to. The man does not adhere to his principle. The correct spelling is, এখানে স্পেলিং কোনটা ঠিক সেটা আমাদেরকে দেখতে হবে। এখানে ঠিক হচ্ছে গিয়ে ক নাম্বার অপশন, heterogeneous, HETERO, hetero, GENEOUS, heterogeneous. Tooth and nail. Tooth and nail means হচ্ছে গিয়ে completely. Tooth and nail means হচ্ছে গিয়ে এখানে completely. Tooth and nail means হচ্ছে গিয়ে completely. He divided the money dash the two children. He divided the money between the two children. Between the two children. Choose the right form of verbs. এখানে right form of verbs দেখতে বলছে কোনটা? The boy to lie on the floor yesterday. এখানে হচ্ছে গিয়ে ভার্বটা টু লাই দেওয়া আছে, এখানে সঠিক কোনটা হবে সেটা আমরা দেখব। সঠিক হবে হচ্ছে গিয়ে লাইড। The boy lied on the floor yesterday. Table is a কি noun. টেবলটা কি noun? Common, collective, abstract, material. Table is a common noun. টেবলটা কি noun? Table is a common noun. The adjective of reality. Reality adjective from কি হবে? Reality adjective from হচ্ছে গিয়ে realistic. Reality adjective from হচ্ছে গিয়ে কি? Realistic. The man divided his lands. The man divided his lands among his sons. The man divided his lands among his sons. The man divided his lands among his sons. The planting and care of woody plants, especially trees, is known as. The planting and care of woody plants, especially trees, is known as arboriculture. Is known as কি? Arboriculture. The correct passive form of who will do the work. এটা হচ্ছে গিয়ে who আছে, who থাকলে সবসময় কি হয়? by whom হয়। who থাকলে কি হয়? by whom হয়। by whom will the work be done. Identify the correct sentence. এখানে correct sentence কোনটা? Last month he went home. এটা হচ্ছে গিয়ে correct sentence. Last month he went home. I still have dash money in my pocket. I still have dash money in my pocket. I still have a little money in my pocket. I still have a little money in my pocket. Identify the word which remains the same in its plural. Which remains the same in its plural. সেটা হচ্ছে গিয়ে ক নাম্বার, এয়ারক্রাফট। এয়ারক্রাফট সিঙ্গুলার এবং প্লুরাল একই। Birds fly dash in the sky. Birds fly at large in the sky. Birds fly at large in the sky. She will have finished the job before. এখানে আছে she will have finished the job before he comes. Before he comes. Antonym for adieu. Antonym for adieu. Antonym হচ্ছে গিয়ে adieu hello. Antonym বিপরীত শব্দ হচ্ছে গিয়ে hello. If we eat low sodium food, our general health dash better. Our general health will be better. If we eat low sodium food, our general health will be better. What would be the right synonym for initiative? Right synonym for initiative সেটা হচ্ছে গিয়ে enterprise. Initiative, enterprise. I got my car dash. Select the correct form of verb. I got my car repaired. I got my car repaired. He was patient dash money and is ever hankering wealth. He was patient for money. He was patient for money. 26 এর answer হবে খ, and is ever after hankering after wealth. After wealth. Correct sentence. এখানে correct sentence কোনটা? এখানে correct sentence হচ্ছে গ. He does not take care of his parents. He does not take care of his parents. The best passive form of sentence. Always speak the truth. Best passive form সেটা হচ্ছে গিয়ে এখানে গ নাম্বার. Let the truth be spoken always. Let the truth be spoken always. Which one is adjective of the word tax? Tax এর adjective form কোনটা হবে? Tax এর adjective form হবে হচ্ছে গিয়ে taxable. Tax এর adjective form হচ্ছে taxable. You should show good manners in the company of young ladies. The underlined portion meaning show good manners এটা হচ্ছে গিয়ে behave gently. Show good manner এর উত্তর হচ্ছে behave gently. Indirect speech বের করতে বলছে. If I were you, I would wait. I said. If I were you, I would wait. I said. Answer হবে গ. I told him to wait. I told him to wait. Noun of the word poor. Noun of the word poor is poverty. Poor এর noun কি? Poverty. I dash in Dhaka since 1998. I dash in Dhaka since 1998. I have been living in Dhaka. I have been living in Dhaka. এখানে কি আছে? Since আছে in 1998. A foreign conclusion. A foregone conclusion means হচ্ছে গিয়ে a previous result. A foregone conclusion, a previous result. Which sentence is correct? এখানে কোন সেন্টেন্সটা কারেক্ট হচ্ছে গিয়ে ক নাম্বার. He asked me why I was late. He asked me why I was late. The timely rain dash good crops. The timely rain brings forth good crops. The timely rain brings forth good crops. Bibliography means কি? Bibliography হচ্ছে গিয়ে a list of books. He insisted on my walking there. He insisted on my walking there. Idiom estis in time saves 9 refers to the importance of timely action. Refers to the importance of timely action. Put the right word in the blank. He risked the acme of his literary career. উত্তর হবে কি? খ. আজকে এই পর্যন্ত. চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন এবং অন্যান্য যে ভিডিওগুলো আছে ওগুলা মডেল টেস্টগুলো একটু দেখে নেবেন.